Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 15th, and this is my analysis on gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I'm definitely still looking at this move up as a 1. I still think this looks like a 2. If that's true, that means we are in a wave 3. Most wave 3s go to at least a 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. So that tells me that we potentially have a lots and lots of upside potential on this monthly time frame. I actually think that my target would be someplace around the 25.50 area to finish off this move. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is that wave 1. I think that's this wave. This right here is that wave 2. I think this is subdivision 1. I think this is subdivision 2 of a wave 3. So 1, 2, 1 of 3, 2 of 3. And if that's the case, then this is a wave 3 of 3, and this has a lots and lots of upside potential. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we definitely did make a pullback, but boy, this thing looks so corrective. Look at that thing. Very, very, very corrective looking. I think that there's a very good likelihood that today's news is going to cause this to continue back up. And it looks like it should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, definitely on the daily time frame. But if this really is a wave 3 of 3, like I suspect it is on the weekly time frame, this may not even be a wave 5. It could possibly just be a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. So definitely looking for longs based on that information. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. I was thinking yesterday that this would actually go down to the 38% before it goes up, which is definitely still possible. We have some pretty important dollar news this afternoon, which actually could even cause that to go down. But while the dollar made a very impulsive move up yesterday, gold didn't really go up that impulsively. Didn't really go down that impulsively. I mean, which tells me that there's still a lot of buying pressure on gold, and it already made 3 waves down. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised at all if this just kept on trending up for a wave 5, or possibly a subdivision of a much, much bigger wave 3. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it looks like it's already made that correction. It looks like a little 5 wave pattern there. Looks like 3 waves there. Looks like 5 waves here. Definitely respecting the 23%. This move up is definitely making higher highs, higher lows. Maybe this is a wave 1. Maybe it's going to go down prior to the news. And then when the news comes out today, I would think that it's probably more likely it's just going to keep on trending up. So like I said, all the trends are up on the much higher time frames. So I think that the big money to be made is definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. Now you do have to be aware that it could go down to 38% before it goes up, because there is a very, very important, rally-based rally on the 4 hour time frame back here, so it may actually go down there before it goes up. But unless it makes a very, very impulsive turn down at the news today, I personally would be looking for longs, and I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks, and happy trading.